Hello, I'm Brian May, Director of Customer Solutions at Profound Logic. In this video, we're going to take a look at Profound API's API Explorer. So Profound API has a built-in Explorer. All we need to do is go into our API options and choose API Explorer. This will take you into an automatically generated documentation page. You'll remember that when creating APIs in Profound API, that there are many different properties for descriptions and tags and labels. And I mentioned that it was very important that we fill all of these out. And this is why, because all of that extra information that you add when creating an API automatically flows into our automatically generated documentation. So if we take a look here, you'll see that I have a list of all of my API. Now, keeping up with the 6 API we have right here is not a very hard task. However, managing an API server that may have hundreds or thousands of API can be much more complex. So this documentation page will make it much easier for your developers to go out and find the API that they need for their applications. Now you'll notice here on the left we have ways to filter and search for our different API. We can search for anything that may be within the documentation. So if we wanted to take a look, we wanted something that had a list, we can run that and you'll see, oh, well, the customers API retrieves a list of customers. I can also browse by category, so we can take a look at all categories, or you'll remember that I added the category getting started to an API. And so here we have it. When we choose that, we can actually go in. I had a subcategory of Hello World, again for our Hello World example earlier. Now, other than helping you to find the API, this is actually a complete documentation of the API. So if we expand one of these, you'll see all of our descriptions and labels, all of our parameters listed out with all of their descriptions, even the ability to test the API. So if I choose the try it out option here, you'll see that I can now fill in, just like on our test tab in the IDE, I can fill in all of my parameter information here, and I can run that same type of test within the documentation page. You'll also notice we have all of the information about our response as well. So, and all of our examples that we plugged in when we were building the API are all listed here within the documentation. So this is going to give me all the information I need in order to use this API as a developer. In addition to just having a really nice UI here to go and find API, all of this is based on OpenAPI. Or Swagger, if you will. So we're taking a look at API here, and we can actually click this link at the top, and that will open up another tab, and this is actually our OpenAPI or Swagger document. So if you have an application and you have tooling that can import Swagger documents in order to automatically generate code to consume API, we have that built in here to the API Explorer as well. We can just either point those tools to this URL, or we can copy this JSON data in this Open API specification into our tooling and let it then turn around and generate our code. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying Profound API.